Today, PRM Media Channel has the great honor to present to you King Solution Corporation Company, who provides over 1,000 sets of customized machines with automation and turnkey solutions to their customers. In this video, you have the chance to know everything about new technologies and advances that King's brings to the market. Stay tuned, we got you. Hello everybody, this is Billy Paredes from PRM Taiwan. Today, we will bring this opportunity to Sheila Su, General Manager from King Solution Corporation Company, to introduce more about their 40 years of expertise in the injection molding industry. Hello Sheila, and thank you very much for being here with us.
Hi Billy, good morning. It's so nice to be here in PRM channel.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, we want to ask you, could you tell us everyone about your company?
Yes. We were originally founded as King's Machinery and Engineering Corporation, and we have been dedicated to injection molding machine solutions for almost 4 decades. From 2016, in the spring, we renamed ourselves as King Solution Corporation. We have the experience of making thousands of sets customized injection molding machines with tooling, automation, and auxiliary systems as a completely turnkey solutions. We commit ourselves to build smart machines as a pioneer of Industry 4.0 with reliable and sustainable innovation systems. We truly believe that King Solution is the best partner to support our customers to lead their respective market.
So, we want to ask you, what's the concept behind your new slogan?
Yeah, I really love our new slogan. In 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, we were excited to launch the new slogan, Green Solution, Machine Soulmate. As you know, ESG refers to environmental, social, and corporate governance. The factors that provide a framework for investors seeking to invest companies that are creating solutions to the challenge that we face in today's world. We believe our experience in green solution will support our customer to produce products with the minimum energy consumption. And Machine Soulmate, it means that we will focus on smart machines and user-friendly experience, which will improve factory management and allow us to a reliable and strong partner to our customers.
Now let me tell you, that's a very interesting introduction. Now I gotta say, I'm very curious to know, why did King's decided to choose customized machines? Is it because of the conditions and requirements back at that time to customize a machine were very high?
Actually, before I explain to this, I would like to share with you a short story.
Okay.
In 1962, the United States President John Kennedy, he delivered the famous moon speech, and I'd like to quote a part of it. Why go to the moon? We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. I think our idea is quite similar like this. From the beginning in 1983, we will face the huge competition if we only make standard injection molding machines. However, instead of directly competing with the competitors, we prefer to work with our passions. Our founder, Mr. Bilsu, he is a passionate engineer for machinery. So he learned the machinery from his professor in Germany, then worked in a Japanese company for years before he set up this company. And he always encouraged our team to build customized and innovation machines to achieve the targets set by our customers. We are always excited to accept all kinds of challenges. Based on our experience for the years, we have provided a successful solution in many different applications, and which will continue with us to get a referral to other new customers.
Regarding to what you have mentioned,
Yeah.
what are the customized machines that you have available to your customers?
Oh, yeah, this is a very difficult question to answer. Actually, maybe I need to start from 1,000 set of machine. But for the past 40 years, we already developed so many different machines. However, in order to provide better service and also to meet the future trend, in 2,000 years, we just focus in 4 different series of our machines, including the vertical machine for insert molding with automation. And PET Preform injection molding machine is a turnkey solution. A liquid silicone rubber machine that is for some special purpose, and also the low pressure molding machine. This is for waterproof industry.
So within these 40 years of expertise, what has been the biggest challenges you have to face a customer? And how did you make this challenge become one of your successful cases?
I think staying ahead of customer needs is always the biggest challenge. You need to think ahead before customer they think about it. There is a very good experience. In 2015, we considered about the huge portable drinking water consumption in the developing country. We developed the first 8-cavity 5-gallon preform molding machines. This is a very huge machine. The weight is over 22 tons. And the output is 3 times in our previous model, and it saves 80% electricity. After we got the patent, the hard work, we got the patent in Taiwan and China. We had a discussion with the biggest water and beverage company in Philippines, where the electricity is twice as expensive as in Taiwan. We believe the new technology will be a green solution and contribute a lean production for them. However, the customer agreed us to build a demo machine first to make 183,000 pieces preform for them for the trial to check the preform quality. If everything was fine, they would consider buying the next machine. So it took me only 2 days to accept the challenge, despite being a huge investment to our company to prove the new idea.
So why did the customer need so many preform samples to check? And how can you confirm the result was a successful one?
Yeah, you know the preform is just semi-finished product. Today I bring you some sample.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let us see. Wow.
Wow.
Amazing. This is a semi-product.
Yeah, actually this preform, this is the biggest preform in the world for the water bottle. Okay. So it needs to be blown to a bottle. It's not the way you are looking at.
Oh, really?
So a good preform is with very less inner stress, and the blow up yield rate it should be very high. Yeah. So our customer, they were buying the preform from others preform supplier. The defective blowing rate after blowing is about 3%. It means they buying 100 pieces preform, they got 3 defective. So let's see how was our performance of our preform. Okay. Yeah, so after 6 months of hard work, we delivered the preform to our customer, and they were very satisfied with the result. The defective after blowing, how much you guess?
Maybe 0.8?
How can you be so confident with us? Actually, it's only 0.1.
Wow.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm thirsty right now.
Yeah, this is the result. Yeah, that is more than 30 times improvement of the yield rate. So the customer, they are very happy, and we receive a purchase order of a new machine. And it's been running 24 hours in our customer's factory. It saves them 80% of the power consumption. That equal to more than $1 million for the past 3 years of the electricity and reduce almost 2 million kg of the carbon emission. So this is a win-win solution for King Solution, for our customer, and for the environment. That is the most important part.
That's really one of my favorite phrases, a win-win situation.
Yeah.
Because both sides, they have the benefit from the situation.
Yes. Yeah, so now our customer, they are very happy with the result. Yes.
Just now, you just mentioned about the PET molding machines, right?
Yes.
So I would like to ask you, what's the idea behind providing this kind of machine?
Actually, the first PET Preform molding machine making by Kings is already almost 40 years back.
40 years back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you know the soybean sauce, yeah, before in Taiwan, all the package was glass bottle. But the first one, changing to a PET bottle, we helped our customer to develop this Preform in 1984. So, however, there was no good mold maker and no molding solution, no material in this field during that moment. So we stopped that project. But we learned a lot of PET molding technology at that moment. So for many years, the 5-gallon drinking water jug usually use polycarbonate as a bottle material. However, according to research, people know the BPA contains in the polycarbonate, which is released in the drinking water with adverse effect on health. Meanwhile, PET is a safe and eco-friendly choice. Now, in 2000 years, we returned to our PET Preform molding solutions with a Japanese partner, Kada System, to develop the first 5-gallon PET Preform molding machine with a full cavity mold. So, based on our experience in PET molding and looking at the huge consumption and reusable water jugs all over the world, we have decided to offer our customized machine and turnkey solution to deliver the good quality Preform with a lower cost than others. Yeah.
So, since you have gained experience on the PET molding technologies, in what ways does the 5-gallon PET Preform injection turnkey solution differs from your competitors?
Yeah, the main difference between King Solutions with others factory is that we have 20 years Preform molding experience by ourselves. We are not only the hardware supplier, we can supply our experience and all turnkey solution, the idea to customer. So when we developing the model Taipei 1600, which is a full cavity PET Preform molding machines, at that time, that was 20 years back. Okay, the output was 2,500 pieces a day, but the customer, the requirement is quite less. So the output of this machine was too high to most of the customer. Then no one will buy our machine. So it's beyond their requirement. So we need to sell the Preform first. Okay, from 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, and all over the world. So we started to set up the producing line and selling all over the world for the next 10 years. And meanwhile, we keep improving our molding and machine design to reduce the power consumption. This is the most important. You know, injection molding machine is just material, electricity. Yeah. So we reduced the power consumption and even supported the PET resin supplier to develop a customized material for thick wall PET. Because this Preform is 700 gram, the thickness is almost 10 millimeter. That is very, very difficult to do the molding. Okay, so we require some special material. So we support this supplier to develop this special material. And we have the confidence to say that The standard of the highest quality of the 5-gallon PET Preform was set by King's due to this project. So based on this completely value chain experience, our turnkey solution can support our customer to start the Preform business from zero to mass production in their country within 5 months delivery time only. And the break-even time, the investment in 1.8 years. But you know, our machine life is more than 15 years. It means after 2 years, they can return, not only return, they can earn a lot of money. They can earn like 5 times, 10 times of the machine values. Okay. So we also support our customer for the preform and bottle design. I believe that our 40 years experience of know-how and reliability is what our competitor they cannot achieve in such a short time.
So from here, I can see that your buyers will see like a huge investment and a positive one.
Yeah.
By buying your machines. Amazing. So knowing a little bit more about the injection molding industry, could you tell us what are the recent trends going around in the market?
Green solution is the most important trend in the market, and we need to go green. Start from the material selection, the machinery, the process, to the detail of daily operation. During the COVID-19 pandemic, our life also changed a lot. So one of the latest trends can be called the 3 no's economy. No contact economy, for long distance medical care, remote learning, and remote work, like we are doing for the previous months and years. Okay. And no people production, the production automation, robotic warehousing and logistic. The third will be no limit application, even more accurate medical care, artificial intelligence, and smart city and transportation. So in response to these trends, how to develop new technology in the shortest time with the environmental and socially friendly solution is a key performance test for every company. Since ESG, as I mentioned, is also a very important factor for international investors. So for the past 20 years, we have designed machines that produce eco-friendly products, such as the returnable PET jugs, which is important packaging for clean water in developing countries or rural regions. Also, we have the low-pressure waterproof molding solutions and liquid silicone rubber precision turnkey solution for electronic parts for various industries, such as medical care, smart city, transportation, like EV, the electric vehicle, 5G, etc. All these solutions and energy saving are automated for Industry 4.0 and lean production.
Right now, you just have mentioned about electronics and automobile products. So can you share with us some of the finished products you brought here today that can be made by your LPM or your low pressure injection molding machine?
Yeah, sure. There are a lot of electronic parts require waterproof nowadays. So for the automotive application, we have different idea of the application, such as we can use in the e-vehicle charger. There are a lot of wire harness, even the ABS sensor, you know, the scooter ABS sensors, the dashboard for the water sealing of the dashboard, and the LED light, the power cable, and a lot of the speed sensor, tire pressure sensor. So today I also bring some sample here.
Amazing.
Yeah. Sorry, I cannot tell you the exactly position to install these parts. This is NDA. Okay. Okay, but here I can explain to you. The low pressure molding is there will be some precise electronic parts need to be protected.
Okay.
So after the over molding, like this,
okay,
yeah, it will be well packed and sealed. And this is also for the e-vehicle, the exotic fan. Yeah. So this is some physical samples for the automotive part. And for the electronic parts, there is more application. Yeah. So now we know that Industry 4.0 is very important.
Yeah.
So for the smart city or for the automation production, we require a lot of sensor switch. Okay, so there is some magnetic switch, micro switch, proximity switch, and rocker switch, cable assembly, waterproof connector, PCB resistance, water resistance, or some different camera. All of this application is for the smart city. And here I also have some sample to show you. This is what. This is a very interesting sample. You know, this is for satellite.
Satellites?
Yeah, this is for satellite.
Okay.
This is from one of my customers. They are in the north of very north country. Okay, so usually they have this cable. The length is over 50 meters, 100 meters.
Okay.
And after some time, the connector will be damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they will overmold again with a low pressure molding. Every cable is very expensive. Yeah, so that they don't want to waste the cable.
Okay.
But when they are doing the overmolding, they need to ensure the quality is good and can last for longer time.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the before molding. Before molding.
The before.
That is after molding.
Okay.
Yeah, that is after molding. Yeah. So this is for the waterproof connectors, and these are what you may familiar.
Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Yes, the chargers.
Yeah, the chargers, a lightning cable. Yeah. So if you know that there is a lot of complicated circuits here. Yeah. So we do the overmolding. I can share with you some video for that, how we make it. And this is the proximity sensor. If you go to the parking lot, then you enter, go in, out, and here will be radius. Okay, so this is a sensor.
Okay, so that sensor will be at the back part of the car, on the side.
Not only there, and in many places there is a gate.
Okay.
Enter, you close.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a sensor, how it works. If you know, there are a lot of sensors which now is all in our daily life.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. And here is some material. All of this material, they are come like this. It's a resin.
Since the LPM is a new method for injection, that also is replacing the epoxy method, how can your customers see themselves benefited or taking the advantage of using your machines?
We can compare with the conventional injection molding material. Okay, so the traditional injection molding machine require processing temperature and the pressure that is very high, and it would be damage the printed circuit board. So the low pressure molding uses the thermoplastic material, which is from some special natural adhesive. Okay, so that is with very, very low viscosity, and that allowing us to overmolding and encapsulation with even the most sensitive circuit board and tiny cable assembly. You know, the injection pressure is only from 1.5 kg to 30, but the general injection molding machine, I mean the standard conventional machine, that is about 300 to 500 kg. That is way different of the low pressure and the conventional pressure overmolding machine. So, and because the material are natural adhesive, the process is well suited for sealing the circuitry against the dirt, dust, and moisture. In many cases, it's up to an IP68 rating. So the low pressure molding process can support our customer to develop the innovative electronic parts easily and efficiently, especially with the higher yield rate and then the conventional process. In addition, the traditional potting process, it's required, potting is come from the A and B two component mixed together. Okay, so that is for the chemistry part. It's not the thermal molding. Okay. So it requires the curing time for many hours with the UV light or with the oven, and some of the compounds contains the BPA, which is very harmful for the operators. So LPM requires just 30 to 60 seconds, and the material is environmental friendly. The machine parameter can be easily set, and the molding result is fast. So this is also the key benefit that create an efficient and comfortable working experience for our customers and for the employees.
Wow, yeah. Really nice to hear that.
Yeah.
Now, talking about a little bit of the global situation, what has been the biggest challenges that you have to face in terms of communication, logistics, and customer service?
Yeah, it's been over 1 year since my last travel to other countries because of COVID. Okay, so everyone was trying to adapt the new work and lifestyle, and trying to keep the economy active in a safe way. So logistics is also a headache issue. I have a lot of machines cannot deliver lately. Yeah, we all face the shortage of shipping containers and unpredictable shipping schedule. But there is really nothing we can do. What we can do is be patient. So during the waiting time, we just trying to give the better service to our customer. So a new machine installation and training will be a big problem where we couldn't be there to support the customer in person as before. So in order to support our agent and customer, we had made over 30 videos this year for different machines with the detailed maintenance guides and machine installation, operation, no matter with the mechanism, the hardware, software, all the videos is in the detail, and we will share with our customer to guide them how to install and solve the problem by themselves. So we even test the smart glasses. You know the smart glasses? Yeah. So to create a better online service with the hands-free expert support recently. So furthermore, all series of King's machine we are installed with an industrial PC controller. So it means all just like everybody's laptop. The PC. So once you connect the cable with the TCP/IP ports, it enables us, or you can even use the Wi-Fi. Okay, enable us to provide a remote support and the machine service directly from Taiwan only to all our machines around the world. So our team members also with the fluent English speakers, so we can give our customer very strong support with the online service. Yeah.
Wow, I have this feeling like no matter the pandemic, you still have like no obstacles. Like you still have advances in technology, and you still got the flexibility to adapt to this new outcome of the situation.
Yeah.
So, despite of this pandemic that I mentioned, what positive message could you give to your potential customers seeing you right now?
Yes, actually, I really would love to visit all the customer face to face. Yeah. However, we are trying our best to meet the customer in different way. Okay, so for the past few years, we already joined several international exhibitions and conferences, especially in North America, in Mexico, Indonesia, India. Fortunately, for the past year, we have found some strong partners as our official service agent. And they can support the customer with the best service based on our support. Okay, so now most of the physical exhibition were canceled globally, So in order to introduce our latest technology to the world, we are ready to join the Taipei Plus and ShootTech. This is a Taipei Digital Go Online. And we also participate several webinars and virtual display, and so that the customer they can know our company better. Moreover, Taitra will also host customized one-on-one online procurement meetings to meet with the customer all over the world. Although the whole world is still suffering from the pandemic, it has also sped up the digital transformation revolution. What we believe, green solution, machine Soulmate. This is not only a slogan, but that is a real practical way from Kings to support the customer all over the world, to support their development. We will not be limited by this pandemic or by the region, by the distance. So we believe even without the traveling or on-site service, we can also provide the even better service to our customer with our intelligence machine, the smart machine, and our team members, with our global partner to contribute to the world together with all the customers.
Well, I gotta say, that was a powerful, positive message to your potential customers and for the audience. So today, we're very delighted for you to come in here and then telling us more about your company, your machines. And for our audience and King's potential customers, if you missed some of parts of the videos, we're happy to tell you that you will be able to watch this live stream on our PRM Media Channel on YouTube and Facebook page. If you need to know more about King's solution, we invite you to visit our PRM Taiwan platform or
the King's official website.
Yes, to check the latest news. Thank you very much, and thank you.
Thank you, Billy. Thank you.